Right, listen up. If you work 9 to 6 and your belly is slowly growing, this is your fix. I'm David, and today, we're getting honest about what happens when your work week hits full throttle. Those quick lunches, missed breakfasts, and by Friday, your trousers are screaming for mercy. But, here's the good news. You don't have to give up the foods you love, especially pasta. We're going to flip the script, ditch the boring salads, and keep things real in the kitchen. Today, I'll show you 5 fast pasta meals that help busy professionals lose weight without giving up pasta. Each dish is absolutely packed with protein, loaded with flavor, and lightning fast. Because let's face it, you've got meetings to run to and emails to answer, not hours to spend over a stove. These aren't just meals, they're your new toolkit for feeling full, satisfied, and unstoppable. Whether you're cooking for yourself, your partner, or the entire office, these pastas are about to become your secret weapon. So grab your notepad, set your timer, and let's get cooking. This is the start of your comeback. Let's kick off with a real powerhouse garlic chicken protein pasta. First up, choose chickpea protein pasta. It cooks in half the time and gives you a protein punch right from the start. None of that empty carb nonsense. Get a pot of salted water boiling, toss in the pasta, and let it work its magic for about 6 minutes. You want it al dente, not mushy. Trust me. While your pasta is bubbling away, grab a lean chicken breast. Slice it thin so it cooks rapidly. Remember, we're going for speed. Season both sides with salt, pepper, and a little paprika if you want a kick. Into a hot pan with a splash of olive oil, sear that chicken until it's golden and juicy, about 2 to 3 minutes each side. Don't crowd the pan, give it space to get that beautiful color. Next, hit the pan with minced garlic. This is where the flavor explodes. Stir it around for just 30 seconds. Don't let it burn, or you'll ruin the whole thing. The aroma should be absolutely incredible, filling your entire kitchen with that classic Italian warmth. Time to add fresh spinach. It looks like a lot at first, but it wilts down in seconds. Toss it in, and keep it moving so it soaks up all that garlicky chicken flavor. You're building layers, and every second counts. Now drain your chickpea pasta, save a splash of the cooking water. Toss the pasta right into the pan, mixing everything together. If it looks dry, add a bit of that reserved water for a silky finish. That's the secret to restaurant-quality pasta at home. Final touch, a glug of good olive oil and a crack of black pepper. If you're feeling fancy, a sprinkle of fresh parsley never hurt anyone. Plate it up, and look at that. Vibrant, steamy, full of color and protein. You get a meal that's satisfying, keeps your energy up for hours, and doesn't sabotage your goals. It's balanced, it's quick, and most importantly, it tastes absolutely stunning. Perfect for lunch, dinner, or even post-gym recovery. This is not just pasta, it's a power move for your work week. You deserve food that works as hard as you do. Now let's head to the Mediterranean for our next quick fix tuna tomato protein pasta. Start with lentil pasta, another protein superstar, and it cooks in just 5 minutes. Get that water boiling, salt it like the sea, and toss in your pasta. While that's working, grab a can of tuna in water. Drain it well. None of that oily mess, we want clean flavors. Slice up a handful of cherry tomatoes, go for colorful ones if you've got them, because we eat with our eyes first. In a large bowl, dump in your tuna, tomatoes, a few sliced olives for that briny punch, and a hit of fresh lemon zest. The zest is the magic ingredient. It wakes up every flavor and keeps the dish bright and light. Don't skip it. Check your pasta. When it's just right, drain, and immediately toss it while it's still hot into the bowl with the tuna and veggies. This lets everything mingle and absorb all those fantastic juices. You're not cooking more, you're letting the pasta do the work. A drizzle of good olive oil brings it all together. Season with salt and pepper, maybe a tiny pinch of red pepper flakes if you like a bit of heat. Give it a gentle toss, don't mash it, keep those tuna flakes whole and gorgeous. This meal is a lunchtime hero. Packs easily, tastes incredible hot or cold, and keeps you full without weighing you down. It's the kind of lunch that makes you feel like you're on vacation, even if you're stuck in a cubicle. And the best part? No need to reheat. Just pack it in a lunchbox, bring a fork, and lunch is sorted in seconds. High in protein, loaded with healthy fats, and so much fresher than anything from the office cafeteria. It's a taste of the Mediterranean, right at your desk. This is how you eat smart, stay lean, and never get bored. You'll never look at canned tuna the same way again. Time to bring the heat with my spicy shrimp lemon protein pasta. Grab your favorite protein pasta, wheat, chickpea, or lentil, whatever fits your taste. Boil it up nice and quick, just until al dente. Now shrimp, they're the ultimate fast protein, light, lean, and they cook in a flash. Peel and devein if needed, then pat them dry. Season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of chili flakes to wake them up. Into a hot pan with a touch of olive oil, lay them out flat. Don't crowd the pan. Let the shrimp sear, about 1 to 2 minutes per side, until they're pink and just cooked through. We want them juicy, not rubbery. Toss in more chili flakes for extra kick if you love spice. This is your pasta, your rules. Once the shrimp's nearly done, squeeze in fresh lemon juice. The sizzle as it hits the pan is pure magic. Bright, tangy, cuts through the richness, and makes every bite pop. Add a handful of chopped parsley, and your kitchen will smell like a seaside bistro. Drain your protein pasta, saving a little water. Toss the pasta right into the shrimp pan, mixing gently so you don't break up those beautiful shrimp. If it looks dry, add a splash of the pasta water to create a silky coating. This meal is the definition of light but satisfying. No heavy sauces, just pure, clean flavors that taste like summer on a plate. It's perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or a power lunch. The shrimp gives you lean protein, the lemon lifts your mood, and the chili keeps your metabolism fired up. No fuss, no filler, just bold, beautiful food that keeps you energized and on track. Get ready to make this a regular in your rotation. Here's a creamy dream that won't wreck your waistline. Creamy mushroom Greek yogurt protein pasta. Start with chickpea pasta. Again, protein is king. Boil it up, 6 to 7 minutes, and let's get that creamy sauce rolling. Clean and slice a mix of mushrooms, cremini, button, or whatever you've got, into a hot non-stick pan with a dash of olive oil. Sauté until they're golden and their flavors are deep and earthy. A pinch of salt helps them release their juices and caramelize perfectly. Add minced garlic for the last minute. Let it bloom and get fragrant, but don't let it burn. You want that savory backbone to the sauce. Now turn off the heat. This is key. Stir in a generous dollop of Greek yogurt. Full fat or low fat works, but don't go non-fat or the sauce will split. Add a handful of grated Parmesan for that umami depth and a silky finish. Drain your chickpea pasta, save a spoonful of water, and toss it all together in the pan. The heat will gently warm the yogurt and melt the cheese, creating a luscious, creamy sauce that coats every piece of pasta. This is comfort food, reimagined. All the richness you crave, but none of the guilt. The Greek yogurt brings protein and a tangy freshness, while mushrooms give you that meaty bite. Top it with a little more Parmesan if you're feeling bold, maybe a sprinkle of fresh herbs. Serve it up hot, and dig in. You will not miss the heavy cream, I promise. This is how you eat smart, stay satisfied, and never feel deprived. Creamy, dreamy, packed with flavor. What more could you want? Last but not least, Turkey Veggie Power Pasta. This one's a meal prep champion, perfect for batch cooking and staying fueled all week. Start with lentil pasta. Boil it up, you know the drill. While that's going, heat a large pan and add lean ground turkey. Break it up with a spatula. Season with salt, pepper, and a touch of smoked paprika for depth. Let it brown nicely. No gray, flavorless meat here. Chop up zucchini and bell peppers, loads of color, loads of vitamins. Add them to the turkey once it's browned. Sauté until the veggies are tender but still have some bite. Don't overcook them, you want that fresh crunch. Toss in minced garlic. Again, flavor is key. Let it bloom for a minute, then turn the heat to low. Drain your lentil pasta. Save a splash of water and mix it all together in the pan. Drizzle with a bit of olive oil, maybe a handful of chopped parsley or basil, and you've got a meal that's hearty, colorful, and insanely filling. This pasta is loaded with protein, fiber, and all the good stuff you need to power through your busiest days. It reheats beautifully, making it perfect for meal prep. Just portion it out, pack it up, and you're set for the week. You don't have to sacrifice flavor or satisfaction to eat well. This is the kind of food that keeps you strong, lean, and ready for whatever the workday throws at you. Give yourself a round of applause. Your workday meals just got a serious upgrade. There you have it. 5 fast, protein-packed pasta meals that won't just fill you up but will actually help you slim down while crushing your work week. If you're a busy professional who wants to lose weight without giving up real food, you're in the right place. Subscribe and join the SlimSync movement. I'm here to make sure you never settle for bland food or boring diets ever again. Remember, it's not about giving up what you love, it's about making smart swaps, dialing up the protein, and turning every meal into a moment you actually look forward to. Food is fuel, but it should be fun and full of flavor too. With these recipes, you're not just eating better, you're starting a new chapter of confidence and energy. In the next video, I'll show you 5 high-protein snacks that stop afternoon cravings. So hit subscribe, drop a comment on your favorite pasta, and let's keep this momentum going. Your kitchen is about to become your secret weapon. Let's make every meal count.